Do you want to see scores, states, and bits in your local currency on SofaScore app? In this video, I will show you how to switch to your local currency on the SofaScore app step by step so you can get accurate prices, odds, and in-app purchases in the currency you use. So let's go to see how it works. The first thing you have to do is to go to SofaScore app. Then here in this page, you will click on above on this sign of profile. After that, in this page, you will find this list here of settings, so you will click on settings. After that, you will go to preferences, and then here on this page of preferences you will find currency, so you will tap here, and then you can choose whether if you want euro, US dollar, or British pound, so you can choose anything you want. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.